Khinkali, a main dish from Georgia. Serves 4. You will need 4 ingredients. Step 1. Cut the meat into pieces and mince with onions in a bowl. Step 2. Season the minced meat with pepper and salt, adding 1/2 glass of warm water and mix thoroughly. Step 3. Sift the wheat flour, heap it up and make a dip in the middle of the heap. Step 4. Pour a glass of water into it, add some salt and knead the dough. Step 5. Roll out the dough to a thin layer and cut out round pieces using a glass or a cup for a cutter. Step 6. Put a spoonful of the meat mixture in the center of the dough circle. Step 7. Gather the edges together into a bunch and twist the top. Step 8. Press on them slight to create a form similar to a bulb. Step 9. Drop khinkali into boiling salt water. Step 10. They tend to drop to the bottom and then rise to the top of the water. Step 11. Stir occasionally to prevent from sticking. Step 12. Allow to boil for a few minutes. Step 13. Serve hot. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.